Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread balls step by step. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and gather flour, active dry yeast, salt, warm water, oil, and a mixing bowl. Mix and knead until the dough is smooth and elastic, then let it rise until doubled in size. Punch down gently, divide into equal portions, shape into balls, and allow a second rise. Bake until golden brown and enjoy warm bread balls straight from the oven. Start by combining flour, yeast, and salt in a bowl, and then add warm water and a splash of oil. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic, which develops gluten for structure. Rest the dough in a lightly oiled bowl covered with a damp cloth to rise until doubled. This step ensures airy, tender bread balls with a chewy crumb and crisp exterior when baked. If you're enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps your drinks cold or hot and fits in most cup holders, perfect for sipping between needs and oven checks. It's sturdy, leak-resistant, and comfortable to carry. Look in the description for the link and extra deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. After the dough has doubled, gently deflate and divide into equal pieces, roughly 50 to 60 grams each for uniform results. Shape each piece into a smooth ball by tucking edges underneath and rolling on the counter to create surface tension. Allow a short second rise, then bake on a preheated tray until golden brown and hollow sounding when tapped. Cool briefly and serve warm with butter, dips, or soup for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.